Hi everyone. I've been having an issue with my Mac for the last 2 months or so. The first time it happened, I was dealing with it, and after a while, I was like, "This is becoming annoying." I'm trying to open up my Finder and keep this browser window open, but every time I click on Finder, my browser window would kind of disappear, as if it slid or transitioned into another monitor. It was like a monitor switch kind of effect. So I called Apple, and it took the guy a while. We tried different things, we couldn't figure it out. Then he made me restart my computer, and that worked. A couple weeks later, it happened again. This time the tech had me do stuff with the control panel, stage manager, as well as restarting the computer. We did figure it out. She believed it had a lot to do with the stage manager. However, it happened a third time. Now this time I'm like, this is crazy. So I was playing around. I remember she made me go to more gestures. And I remember when I went to more gestures, when you slide up, this effect happened. So I was like, let me slide up and I see if I could see where these images are going. And I'm going to show you exactly what's happening. So say I want to open up my Firefox. So my Firefox want to just open up here, but so did a whole different set of other windows. I guess that's grouped in this new mirror screen. Now if I want to go to my Finder because I want to drag something into this Ellie site, and I click Finder, it takes me back. So it's like doing this effect where it keeps switching back and forth between the two. There we go. It flipped again, back and forth between the two of these things. I want to get my Finder back. It happens again. I want to get this up. It happens again. So it's like basically you're going back and forth between these two screens. Now, in order to get that to stop is what I figured out. So it happened again. Now, this comes up with the Finder. If you do the 3 fingers and pull down, hold on. Slide up, 3 fingers sliding up. You 3 fingers sliding up on the top here. That went kind of fast. It was desktop and desktop 2. When you put the mouse up, it brings it down like this. You see how it switches? Slide up. 3 fingers slide up on your mouse pad. 3 fingers slide up. See, it's small on the top, desktop 1, desktop 2, but when you put the mouse up, it makes it bigger. So 2 things I've learned here. 1, you can click on the X to X that out. And you have 1. Or you can drag this. No, you can't drag it. It was drag these up into the desktop you want them in. So I just moved that to desktop 1, desktop 2. You can add more desktops. That's if you want that screen effect, but I don't. So to combine them all, I clicked on desktop 2 and I dragged them all into desktop 1. So now desktop 2 is empty. So now when I hit my Finder, it's there. Every window that I hit is now where I want it to be. Okay, so that's how you fix this, guys. You just take the 3 fingers, slide up. It gives you an option, desktop 1, desktop 2, and then you click on the one you want and you just drag the stuff into the desktop 1 window, or you can X out whichever window you don't want. Now, if you like this for any apparent reason, you could add more desktop screens. So you could separate the stuff you're looking at. So say this desktop right here, you want to use it for your work, or business 1, business 2, business 3, business 4, or work, personal, parenting stuff, whatever. You could just click on which desktop and you will just see those things related to the category that you want to put it for. And that way you can organize your desktop. Unlike me, who has a million tabs, as you can see, because I'm working on a million different things and I don't want to close one out until I'm, done with it, because I might be using different programs, different sites to do what I'm doing. But thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. Check out our channel. This is a kids channel, but I did post it here to hopefully, parents, people with kids who see this are interested in getting sight word help, educational, good, friendly kids educational videos. You can find them here. Bye for now.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Thank you.